Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this eye look using the newest Huda Beauty Naughty palette, which I received in the mail a few days ago, and a lot of you guys told me you wanted to see a video on my Instagram, so here it is today. But before I go in with any eyeshadow, I am first always priming my eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. And to apply this all over the eyelid, I'm using a Sigma Beauty P84 brush, which is included in the brush kit that I created together with Sigma. If you want to purchase my brush kit, I have it linked down in the description bar. So after setting my eyelid, I always go in with a light transition shade. So this is the color I'm going in with. I'm taking a Sigma Beauty E40 brush. The only mistake I made today is that I went pretty quickly in with this eyeshadow after applying the primer. So as you can see right now, it kind of looks muddy. It didn't really blend it that well because the eyeshadow kind of grabbed into the primer. So it actually gonna look so much better. I just kept blending and this kind of fixed the problem. But it would have been more easier if I think I used a setting powder on top of my eyelid before going in with eyeshadow. Sometimes it doesn't happen with eyeshadow, sometimes it does. I think it kind of depends on how long I wait with setting eyeshadow on top of the primer, but I just wanted to clarify that because it looked really weird. So now I'm using my finger to apply this beautiful color all over the eyelid. I absolutely love this shade. This is actually my kind of favorite shade to use on my eyelid. This kind of like bronzy color. It's not too warm tone, not too cool tone. I absolutely love it, and the pigmentation was incredible. Now going in with Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, one of my favorite drugstore gel eyeliners, and I'm going to use this to create a wink liner. If you recreate this makeup look and you don't like using eyeliner, maybe because you're having hooded eyes or you're just having a hard time applying eyeliner in general, you can also skip this part, maybe apply a little bit of a dark brown eyeshadow above the lash line and smudge it out instead. Don't get discouraged if you see the eyeliner and you're like, this look is not for me. I think you can still try this makeup look, but skip the eyeliner instead. So I went in with the gel eyeliner, and then I actually decided to go on top of it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeshadow. It's actually such a beautiful black liquid liner, so I wanted to apply it on top of it because this makes the eyeliner stand out even more. Now for the waterline, I'm going in with the Barry M Cosmetics Bold Waterproof Pencil, and this is actually a really nice black pencil, and I'm gonna use this for in the waterline to make it really black, obviously, because I wanted to go for a more darker lower lash line today. So I'm going in with the color Spicy and a Sigma Beauty flat diviner brush, which is also included in my brush kit. Actually, all the brushes I'm using for this makeup look are included in my brush kit, and I'm using this for underneath the lower lash line. I'm trying to kind of like apply it really closely against the lash line so you don't see any skin in between. And then now I'm going in with those two shades, and I'm blending this underneath the lower lash line to smudge everything out and make everything look really nice. You can see I used this color in the crease as well, so it kind of has the same undertone as the crease, which I like, so everything kind of complements each other and has kind of like the same color undertone. So now I went back in with the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, and I decided to kind of create a pointy inner corner real quick. I felt like this makeup look was a little bit too basic for me, so I decided to do this. I just think it actually looked really good with the makeup look, but again, this is optional. If you don't like a pointy inner corner, you can skip that. Now I'm gonna curl the lashes. I'm using a lash curler from Tweezerman, which I've actually been using for so long. I probably have to replace it with a new one. Now I'm gonna use the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, which is one of my favorites. I use this mascara so often. I just love how it lifts the lashes, and it also makes my lower lashes look super long. Now I always go in with fake lashes, so kind of to balance everything. I love it when my lower lashes look as long as possible, instead of like having really short lower lashes and super big dramatic lashes. I just love having long lower lashes, but what I don't like is really thick lower lashes. I like them to be like really thin but long, if that makes sense. So now I'm using lashes from my own lash company called Anytude. I'm using the style Wary. I have it linked down in the description bar together with a discount code. So if you want to try out my lashes, I have a special code for you guys which you can use. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. I'm actually gonna plan to do a lot of glittery looks for the holidays, but if you guys have any special suggestions on what kind of looks you want me to do, definitely let me know in the comments. And yeah, once again, thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!